Okay, before we leave our discussion of the formation factor, we should come back and think a little bit about, well, why is it that the formation factor, why is it that the formation factor decreases over here on this plot as the porosity increases? And of these two examples over here, A or B, which is the case? Is the formation factor of A greater than the formation factor of B? Well, let's come back and think about the basic definition of the formation factor. It's just the ratio of two resistivities, the whole rock resistivity to the resistivity of the pore filling fluid, a brine. And the resistivity of brine, well, there's very low resistance to current flow in a salty, salt water or a brine. The resistivity RW for the brine may be on the order of, let's say, an ohm meter, whereas the whole rock resistivity may be on the order of several tens of meters, let's say tens of ohm meters, let's say 50 ohm meters, for example. So you can see in this simple case here, F for these two values, F for the whole rock resistivity over the resistivity of brine would be approximately equal to 50. Okay, so now of the two examples, we've got two cases here where the resistivity is, or the porosity is increasing from case A to case B, right? So if we come back and look, just think about the resistivity of these two rocks, the resistivity of B is going to approach the resistivity of the water, right? Whereas this whole rock resistivity is considerably greater than the resistivity of the pore filling water. I think you'd agree. So if we come back and we take a look at these two questions over here, this question or this possible answer or this possible answer, I think you will agree that the formation factor for case A, or BA, let's say, over RW is going to be much greater than 1, whereas the formation factor for case B, we have our whole rock resistivity for case B over RW is approaching 1. So I hope you agree that F sub A then is going to be greater than F sub B. So a clear direct relationship between the variations in the formation factor that we see over in this plot and the decrease in formation factor with the increase in resistivity. So just a parting thought here, thinking in terms of the physical significance of the formation factor.